7 Best Ways to Make Money Online in 2024. Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to Online Academy, where we dive deep into the best strategies for turning your skills and time into real income in this digital age. If you've been searching for ways to maximize your potential and start making money online, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the 7 best ways to make money online in 2024, and believe me, these methods are more than just trendy buzzwords. They're genuine opportunities that can transform your financial future and open doors you never thought possible. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore these exciting paths together. Ready to take your hustle to the next level? Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. First on our list is freelancing. If you have a skill, be it writing, graphic design, coding, or social media management, freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise. The best part? You're in control. You choose your projects, set your rates, and create your own schedule. Getting started is simpler than you might think. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients from all around the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always someone looking for your skills. You can even find niche job boards specific to your industry. Here's a tip: if you're new to freelancing, start by offering competitive rates to build your portfolio and earn those first crucial reviews. As you gain experience and a reputation, you can gradually increase your prices and attract higher paying clients. Freelancing is not just about making money, it's also about building a network and gaining skills that could lead to exciting opportunities down the road. So, keep pushing, keep learning, and make the most of every project. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing, one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online. It involves promoting products or services you love and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's like getting paid for sharing your favorite finds, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your content. Partner with companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or ClickBank to start earning commissions on products that align with your brand. It's all about finding products that resonate with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. Promote products you genuinely believe in and that provide real value to your followers. Building trust with your audience is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing also allows you to test different products and see what your audience loves the most. It's a dynamic way to earn passive income while sharing things you're passionate about. 3. Online courses and coaching. Third on our list is online courses and coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field or passionate about teaching, this is your chance to share your knowledge with the world and get paid for it. Creating and selling online courses or offering coaching sessions can be incredibly rewarding, both financially and personally. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to create and distribute your courses to a global audience. If coaching is more your style, Zoom and Coach.me allow you to connect with clients one-on-one. It's a great way to build a brand and generate income from what you know best. Pro tip: focus on a niche where you can provide unique value. The more specific your content, the more likely you are to attract paying students or clients eager to learn from you. And don't forget to market your courses effectively. Social media, email lists, and even guest appearances can help boost your reach. I've personally found that teaching others not only boosts my income but also keeps me motivated and engaged with my passion. If you have expertise to share, this could be your path to both financial and personal growth. For Dropshipping. Next up is dropshipping. This e-commerce model is perfect for anyone who wants to run an online store without the hassle of handling inventory. With dropshipping, you list products in your store, and when a customer makes a purchase, a third-party supplier ships the product directly to them. It's like having your own store without the overhead. Thanks to platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, setting up a dropshipping business is straightforward. You can choose products from suppliers on AliExpress and start selling almost instantly. It's a low-risk, low-cost way to get into e-commerce. The key to success in dropshipping is choosing reliable suppliers and focusing on excellent customer service. Ensuring that your customers are happy will help you build a strong brand that can thrive in 2024 and beyond. Remember to keep an eye on trends and adapt your product offerings to meet customer demands. Dropshipping allows for flexibility and creativity in how you run your business. 5. Content creation and monetization. Let's dive into content creation and monetization. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, podcaster, or blogger, creating content around your passions is not only fulfilling but also a fantastic way to make money online. The digital landscape is thriving, and there's always room for fresh voices and new perspectives. Once you've built an audience, you can start monetizing through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, or even direct fan support via platforms like Patreon. Content creation requires dedication and consistency, but if you stay committed, the rewards will follow. Tip: engage with your audience and build a community around your content. The stronger your connection with your viewers or readers, the more successful you'll be in monetizing your efforts. And don't forget to experiment with different formats and styles to keep things fresh and exciting. I've found that building a community around my content not only helps with monetization but also keeps me inspired and motivated. If you're passionate about what you do, your audience will feel that energy. 6. Print on demand. Sixth on our list is print on demand. If you've got a flair for design or just love the idea of creating unique products, print on demand is an excellent way to make money online. You design custom items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and sell them without ever having to manage inventory. The beauty of print on demand is that you only pay for the product when it's sold, so there's no risk of ending up with unsold inventory. Plus, you can easily test different designs and see what resonates with your audience. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just have a clever idea, print on demand offers a low-risk, high-reward way to make money in 2024. The key is to create designs that stand out and appeal to your target market. I've loved seeing my designs come to life and knowing that people are enjoying them. Print on demand lets you express your creativity while earning money. What could be better? 7. Cryptocurrency and NFTs. And last but definitely not least, let's dive into cryptocurrency and NFTs, non-fungible tokens. The digital finance world is evolving rapidly, and if you're willing to learn, there's significant money to be made. Whether it's trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum or creating and selling NFTs, the opportunities in this space are vast. However, it's important to approach this space with caution. The market can be volatile, so it's crucial to educate yourself before diving in. But for those who are informed and prepared, crypto and NFTs offer exciting and potentially lucrative opportunities. Tip: start small, invest only what you can afford to lose. And always stay updated on market trends and news. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate this dynamic space. And don't hesitate to join communities and forums where you can learn from others and share insights. Entering the world of crypto and NFTs has been a wild ride, but it's also incredibly rewarding if you do your homework. If you're ready to take the plunge, just make sure you're well prepared and stay curious. And there you have it, 7 of the best ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your income streams, there's something here for everyone. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. With dedication, hard work, and the right approach, you can turn these opportunities into a steady income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on making money online. Drop a comment below about which method you're most excited to try, or if you have other ideas to share with our community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and chasing your dreams.